Kate E. Gordon, a grade 6 graduate, for the Pledge of Loyalty. Please raise your right hand and repeat after me. I state your name. A graduate of San Lorenzo Ruiz School, Batch 2026. Do hereby and solemnly pledge loyalty to my alma mater, which has greatly helped me to be what and who I am now, to spread the glory of its name with all my thoughts, words, and deeds. I humbly and sincerely dedicate myself, my heart, and mind to the glory of my God, my country, and humanity. So help us God.